Now, in this class, we discuss the integrals of some special type functions. Integrals of special types. If the integral is in the form of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c into dx, or integral of px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx, or integral of px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. If the given integral is in any one of these two forms, any one of these three forms, it is a linear form and it is quadratic form, then to integrate such type of functions, we take px plus q is equal to capital A into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus capital B. By using this substitution, we can get the integral value. Once you see, it is a linear form and it is quadratic form. If the given integral is the combination of linear form and quadratic form, and it is any one of these three forms, you take the linear form is equal to a into d by dx of quadratic form plus b, and on comparing these two you get the values of a and b, and on separating you get the integral value. We do some problems on this model. In last class, 15 problems are completed. Now we continue from 16th onwards. Integral 4x plus 1 by root of 2x square plus x minus 3 into dx. Now you observe this problem. 4x plus 1 is the derivative of this quadratic form 2x square plus x minus 3. What is the derivative of x square? 2x. 2x into 2, that is 4x. Derivative of x is 1. So 4x plus 1 is the derivative of this quadratic form. So we take this quadratic form as t. Let 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to t. If linear form is the derivative of quadratic form, then directly by substitution method we can find the integral value. If this is not the derivative of this quadratic form, then we discuss the special types. Then you follow the special types, taking derivative on both sides. Derivative of 2x square, 2 into 2x, 4x, plus derivative of x 1 into dx is equal to dt. So it becomes integral of 4x plus 1 into dx dt by root of 2x square plus x minus 3 is t. This is integral of root t is considered as t to the power of minus 1 by 2 into dt. It is in the form of integral x power n into dx. The formula is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here n is minus 1 by 2. So t to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. This is 2 into root t plus c. But what is t? 2x square plus x minus 3. Plus c. If numerator, this linear form is not the derivative of quadratic form, then we follow the special types. Next, 17th, integral of x plus 2 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. Now you divide it separately. We get integral of x by root of x square minus 1 plus 2 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. Take this integral into bracket. This is integral of x by root of x square minus 1 into dx plus integral of 2 into 1 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. Observe that derivative of x square minus 1, that is 2x, x is there. So you take x square minus 1 is equal to t. Taking derivative on both sides, 2x dx is equal to dt. So from this x dx, that is dt by 2. So it becomes integral of 1 by root t, x dx is dt by 2 plus 2 into integral 1 by root of x square minus 1 is taken as 1 square into dx. 1 by 2 into integral of root t is written as t to the power of minus 1 by 2 into dt plus there is direct formula to this. It is in the form of 1 by integral of 1 by root of x square minus a square to dx. The formula of this is log of mod x plus root of x square minus a square. Apply this formula. Here a is 1. So log of mod x plus root of x square minus 1. Here integral of this, it is in the form of integral x power n into dx. Already we discussed that formula, that is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here n is minus 1 by 2. So we get t to the power of 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus 2 log of plus c. This 1 by 2 cancel. T power 1 by 2 is root t. But what is t from our assumption? X square minus 1. So it is root of x square minus 1 2 into log of x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c. Next, 18th, integral 5x minus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx. Now observe this problem. Numerator is not the derivative of denominator. This linear form is not the derivative of quadratic form. If linear form is derivative of this, then directly you take denominator is equal to t and we follow this model. But here this linear form is not the derivative of this. What is the derivative of this? 3 into 2x, 6x plus 2, but here it is 5x plus 2. So we follow special types. What are special types? We discuss. There are 3 types. It is in the form of integral px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c. If the integral is in this form, then we express the linear form as a into derivative of quadratic form plus b. Now let 5x minus 2 is equal to a into d by dx of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus b. Linear form is equal to a into d by dx of quadratic form plus b. Now 5x plus 2 is equal to a into derivative of this 6x, 3 into 2x, derivative of x is 1, 2 into 1, 2, derivative of 1 is 0 plus b. Now on comparing the coefficients, we get, what is the coefficient of x? 6a. Here coefficient of x is 5. 6a is equal to 5. From this a is equal to 5 by 6. Next, compare constant terms. What is the constant term? 2a plus b. 2a plus b is equal to minus 2. From this b is equal to minus 2 minus 2a. Already a value is 5 by 6. So minus 2 into 5 by 6. That is minus 2 minus 5 by 3. Taking LCM, what we get? 3 is the LCM. Minus 6 minus 5 minus 11 by 3. Therefore a is equal to 5 by 6 and b is equal to minus 11 by 3. Substitute a value and b value in equation 1. From equation 1, 5x minus 2 is equal to a into, but what is a value? A is 5 by 6. 5 by 6 into d by dx of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus b. b is minus 11 by 3. Therefore, integral of the given problem 5x minus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx, that is equal to integral of, what is 5x plus 2? 5 by 6 into d by dx of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 11 by 3 by into dx. Now divide it separately. 5 by 6 into integral of d by dx of by plus 1 into dx minus 11 by 3 into integral 1 by, you divide separately and apply integral separately. 1 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx. It is taken as I1, it is taken as I2. We find the integral value separately. I1 is equal to 5 by 6 into integral of d by dx of by we find integral value separately. So first integral is taken as I1, second integral is taken as I2. See here, clearly numerator is the derivative of denominator. If numerator is derivative of denominator, then we apply the formula integral f dash x by f of x, that is log mod f of x. So it is 5 by 6 into log of mod f of x. What is the denominator? 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Next we find the value of I2. I2 is equal to, second part, minus 11 by 3 into integral 1 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx. Here it is a quadratic form. You express this quadratic form as a perfect square. So we write 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 into, we already discussed how to write a quadratic form as a perfect square. First we make coefficient of x square as 1. So 3 into x square plus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3. This is 3 into x square plus, we write it as 2 into x into 1 by 3. It is in the form of a square plus 2ab. When it is a perfect square, if there is b square term, what is b square term? 1 by 3 whole square. If you add, then we must subtract plus 1 by 3. 3 into the first three terms. The first three terms are the perfect square of x plus 1 by 3 whole square. It is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square. Next, minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3. 3 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square. Take LCM. LCM is 9 minus 1 plus 3. So minus 1 plus 3 plus 2 by 9. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9. 9 is LCM. 3 minus 1, this is 2 by 9. Now I2 is equal to minus 11 by 3 into integral of this quadratic form is 3 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 9 into dx. Okay, 3 into 3 9, so it is minus 11 by 9 into integral of, here you take x plus 1 by 3 is equal to some t, let x plus 1 by 3 is equal to t, then dx is equal to dt, derivative of 1 by 3 is 0, so we get, on differentiating both sides we get dx is equal to dt. So 1 by t square plus x plus 1 by 3 is taken as t, so t square plus 2 by 9, 2 by 9 is taken as root 2 by 3 whole square into dt. Now it is in the form of integral 1 by x square plus a square. The formula is 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. What is a? Root 2 by 3. Apply that formula. We get minus 11 by 9 into 1 by a, 1 by a root 2 by 3 into tan inverse a x by a t by root 2 by 3. Okay, 3 times cancel, so we get minus 11 by 3 into tan inverse of, what is t from our assumption, x plus 1 by 3 by root 2 by 3. On taking LCM, 3 cancel, we get I2 is equal to minus 11 by 3 into tan inverse of 3x plus 1 by root 2 by root. Now substitute I1 value and I2 value here, let it be equation 2. From equation 2, integral of 5x minus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx is equal to, you write I1 value and I2 value, write that answer. Is equal to, what is I1? 5 by 6 into log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1. I2 minus 11 by 3 into tan inverse 3x plus 1 by root 2. See here, it is 3 root 2, root 2 is there, 3 root 2, write it as root 2. Here it is 2, 3 times cancel, we get 3 root 2 here, right. Next, 19th integral 6x plus 7 by root of x minus 5 into x minus 4 into dx. Integral 6x plus 7 by root of x minus 5 into x minus 4 into dx. Multiply these two terms. First let the given problem be I. Let I is equal to integral of 6x plus 7 by root of, multiply these two terms, x into x, x square, minus 4x minus 5x minus 9x minus 5 into minus 4 plus 20 into dx. What is the linear form 6x plus 7? What is quadratic form x square minus 9x plus 20? But linear form is not the derivative of this quadratic form. So we apply special type. It is in the form of integral px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c. From that special type, let linear form is equal to a into d by dx of quadratic form plus b. Let it be equation 1. Let linear form is equal to a into d by dx of that quadratic form plus b. From this simplification we get the integration. What is the linear form? 6x plus 7 is equal to a into d by dx of, what is quadratic form? X square minus 9x plus 20 plus b. Six x plus 7, that is equal to a into derivative of x square 2x, derivative of x is 1, so minus 9, derivative of 20 0 plus b. Now on comparing the coefficients, what is the coefficient of x? 2a. Here coefficient of x is 6, so a is equal to 3. Next, comparing constant terms, constant term minus 9a plus b is equal to 7. You substitute a value here, minus 9 into 3 minus 27 plus b is equal to 7. So b is equal to 27 plus 7, that is 34. So a value is 3 and b value is 34. You substitute a and b values here. Therefore 6x plus 7 is equal to a 3 into d by dx of x square minus 9x plus 20, or derivative of this is 2x minus 9, you may take that also. You write it as 3 into a is 3 into 2x minus 9 plus b is 34. Now substitute this value 6x plus 7 in equation 1. From equation 1, I is equal to integral of, what is 6x plus 7? 3 into 2x minus 9 plus 34 by, you may check here also whether it is correct or wrong. 3 into 2, 6x minus 27 plus 34 plus 7, Okay, right. By square root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. Now we divide it separately. Integral of 3 into 2x minus 9 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx plus integral of 34 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. Now we evaluate both the integrals separately. Let the first integration is taken as I1 and let it be taken as I2. It is I1 plus I2. Say, let it be I1 plus I2. First we find I1 value and then find I2 value. I1 is equal to, what is I1? First integral, 3 into integral of 2x minus 9 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20. Clearly this is the derivative of this. So we take this quadratic form as t. Let x square minus 9x plus 20 is equal to t. Then derivative, taking derivative on both sides, derivative of x square 2x minus 9 into 1 plus 0 dx is equal to dt. Therefore I1 is equal to 3 into integral of 2x minus 9 into dx, that is dt by root t. Now it is 3 into integral of t power minus 1 by 2 dt, that is equal to 3 into, it is in the form of integral x power n into dx. What is n? Minus 1 by 2. From the formula it is t to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 goes to numerator, 2 into 3, 6 into t power 1 by 2, root t. But what is t? T is x square minus 9x plus 20. 9x plus 20. This is the value of I1. Next we find I2 value. I2 is equal to second integral. 34 is constant, 34 into integral 1 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. Now what is the quadratic form here? X square minus 9x plus 20. You express this quadratic form as a perfect square. X square minus 9x plus 20. This is taken as, already coefficient of x square is 1. X square minus 2 into 9 by 2 into x. 2 get cancelled, again you get minus 9. It is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square is 9 by 2 whole square. If you add, then you must subtract minus 9 by 2 square plus 20. The first three terms are in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. Next, minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 81 by 20 minus 81 by 4. 4 into 2, 80 minus 81 minus 1 by 4. Now it is 34 into integral of 1 by root of x minus 9 by 2 whole square. This x square minus 9x plus 20 is x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 into dx. Let x minus 9 by 2 is equal to t. Derivative on both sides, dx is equal to dt. So it becomes 34 into integral of 1 by root of t square minus 1 by 4 is taken as 1 by 2 whole square into dx is dt. 34 into, it is in the form of integral 1 by root of x square minus a square. Apply the formula, that is log of mod x plus root of x square minus a square. X means t plus root of x square minus a square, t square minus 1 by 2 whole square. But what is t? X minus 9 by 2. You substitute t value, 34 into log mod x minus 9 by 2 plus root of x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Now expand it, a minus b whole square, and find the value of I2. I2 is equal to 34 into log of mod x minus 9 by 2 plus root of, on expanding we get x square minus 2 into 9 by 2 minus 9x plus b square 81 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 34 into log of mod x minus 9 by 2 plus root of x square minus 9x, 81 by 4 minus 1 by 4, 80 by 4 plus 20. This is the value of I2. Now here I is equal to I1 plus I2. Substitute I1 value here and I2 value here and write I. Therefore I is equal to, the given problem I is equal to I1. I1 value is this 6 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20. I2 is this 34 into log of x minus 9 by 2 plus root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus c. All these are long answer type questions, so you must take care about in the calculations. Twenty 21 integral of x plus 2 by root of 4x minus x square into dx. This problem is same as previous problem. This is also in the form of integral px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c. You write the linear form is equal to a into d by dx of quadratic form plus b, and on comparing you get the values of a and b. So you do it as homework. 20, 21. 21 also in the same model. Integral of x plus 2 by root of x square plus 2x plus 3. This problem is also in the form of integral px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c. This is also in the same model, same as 19th problem. Here also you take linear form is equal to a into d by dx of this quadratic form plus b, and on comparing find a and b values. So try to do these two problems as homework. These two problems are same as 19th problem. Next you write 22 problem. Integral x plus 3 by x square minus 2x minus 5 into dx. See here, what is the linear form x plus 3, what is quadratic form x square minus 2x plus minus 5. This is not the derivative of quadratic form. So you take linear form is equal to a into d by dx of quadratic form plus b. Let I is equal to given problem x plus 3 by let linear form x plus 3 is equal to a into d by dx of quadratic form plus b. A into d by dx of x square 2x, d by dx of x is 1, so minus 2 into 1, derivative of constant is 0 plus b. Now on comparing the coefficients, coefficient of x 2a is equal to 1. From this a is equal to 1 by 2. Next, comparing the constants, minus 2a plus b is equal to 3. You substitute a value here, a is 1 by 2, minus 2 into 1 by 2, minus 1 plus b is equal to 3. So b is equal to 3 plus 1, b is equal to 4. Substitute a value and b value here. Therefore x plus 3 is equal to a. What is a value? 1 by 2 into 2x minus 2. b is 4. Now substitute x plus 3 value in equation 1. Therefore I is equal to integral of what is x plus 3? 1 by 2 into 2x minus 2 plus 4 by x square minus 2x minus 5 into dx. Now separate this integration into two parts. First part 1 by 2 into integral of 2x minus 2 by dx. Second part integral of 4 by x square minus 2x minus 5 into dx. Let it be I1 first integration, second integration be I2. Find I1 value and I2 value separately. I1 is equal to 1 by 2 into integral clearly this is the derivative of this denominator. If numerator is derivative of denominator, then integral value is log of mod of denominator. 1 by 2 into log mod x square minus 2x minus 5. It is in the form of integral f dash x by f of x into dx, that is log mod f of x. What is f of x? X square minus 2x minus 5. Next, I2. I2 is equal to 4 into integral 1 by x square minus 2x minus 5 into dx. Now, write this quadratic form as a perfect square. X square minus 2x minus 5. This is taken as x square minus 2x plus 1. It is 2 into 1 into x. It is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. B square is 1. If you add 1, you subtract 1, minus 5. The first three terms are x minus 1 whole square, minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. So, this is 4 into integral of 1 by x minus 1 whole square minus 6 into dx. Now, take x minus 1 is equal to t. Let x minus 1 is equal to t. Differentiate dx is equal to dt. Then we get 4 into integral 1 by t square minus 6 is taken as root 6 whole square, dx is dt. It is in the form of integral 1 by x square minus a square. Apply that formula. 1 by 2a into a is root 6 into log of mod x plus a by x minus c, t plus root 6 by t minus root 6, and substitute t value. What is t from our assumption? X minus 1. In formula it is x minus a by x plus a, t minus root 6 by t plus root 6. You substitute t value. Here 2 cancel 2 times, 2 by root 6, 2 by root 6 into log of mod. What is t? X minus 1 minus root 6 by x minus 1 plus root 6. This is I2 value. Therefore, I is equal to I1 plus I2. What is I1? 1 by 2 into log mod x square minus 2x minus 5, I2 plus 2 by root 6 into log mod x minus 1 minus root 6 by x minus 1 plus root 6 plus c. Integral of 5x plus 3 by root of x square plus 4x plus 10 into dx. This is also in the same model. Here, what is the linear form? 5x plus 3. What is the quadratic form? X square plus 4x plus 10. It is not the derivative of quadratic form. So, we take linear form is equal to a into d by dx of quadratic form plus b, and in the same way find the values of a and b. On comparing, you get a and b. Finally, you write I as I1 plus I2. Find I1 value and I2 value separately in the same model. So, try to do this problem 23. Next, we go to the problem 24. 24. Integral dx by x square plus 2x plus 2. What is the quadratic form here? X square plus 2x plus 2. You write it as a perfect square. You write it as x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 1. 2 is taken as 1 plus 1. The first three terms is the expansion of x plus 1 whole square plus 1. So it becomes a perfect square. Integral 1 by denominator is taken as x plus 1 whole square plus 1 into dx. Now take x plus 1 is equal to t. Taking derivative, dx is equal to dt. So it becomes integral 1 by x plus 1 t square plus 1 into dx. Dx is dt. It is in the form of integral 1 by x square plus a square to dx. What is the formula of this? 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. Here a is 1. 1 is taken as 1 square. So it is 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. X is t. A is 1 plus c. What is t from our assumption? X plus 1. So tan inverse x plus 1 plus c. There are 4 options given to this problem. In problem, option B is correct. Next, 25. Integral dx by square root of 9x minus 4x square. 9x minus 4x square. See, what is quadratic form here? 9x minus 4x square. Now we reduce this quadratic form as a perfect square. What is the coefficient of x square? Minus 4. First we make the coefficient of x square 1. So you take minus 4 common. Minus 4 into x square minus 9 by 4 into x. Write it as x square minus 2 into 9 by 8 into x. 2 into 4, 8. It is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Plus b square means write it as 9 by 8 whole square. If you add, then immediately you must subtract minus 9 by 8 whole square. So it is minus 4 into, the first 3 terms are in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square minus 9 by 8 whole square. So this is equal to integral 1 by root of 9x minus 4x square is, take this minus into bracket, we get 4 into 9 by 8 whole square minus of x minus 9 by 8 whole square. This is square root of 4 into 9 by 8 whole square minus x minus 9 by 8 whole square into dx. Root 4, 2, that is constant. So 1 by 2 into integral of dx by root of 9 by 8 whole square minus x minus 9 by 8 whole square. Take this x minus 9 by 8 is equal to t. Then dx is equal to dt. So this integration becomes 1 by 2 into integral of dx is dt by 9 by 8 whole square minus t square. It is in the form of integral root of a square minus x square. The formula is sin inverse x by a by 2 into sin inverse x by a. X is t by a 9 by 8. But what is t value? X minus 9 by 8. You substitute t value, that is equal to 1 by 2 into sin inverse of t. T is x minus 9 by 8 by 9 by 8. On taking LCM, this 8 get cancelled. In numerator we get 8x minus 9. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into sin inverse of 8x minus 9 by 9 plus c. Now in your textbook the answer is option B. So option B is correct option. You do the calculations carefully. We observe how can we reduce the quadratic form as a perfect square. If it is a perfect square, then you apply the suitable formula. With this problem, 7.4 is completed.